So hi, hello everyone, welcome back to a Richard Craft Professional. So today one of my previous models was really excited for get a haircut since long time to get an appointment. So finally we're going to be something like most significant haircut, which called the round layer haircut, and she was pretty much excited to look forward as the before and after ambience. And she was ever done such a haircut in before. She was really excited and she came for only particularly for a haircut for so long far away. So today we're going to be creating with something pretty good transformation which called a round layer haircut, and she had some done like a cherry red hair color. With this combination it will be going to look so pretty good, and end finishing you can just see properly really good. And also you see in the presentation how was the complete of the visibility of transformation of the haircut. You might know very well about that, so I no need to be explain about the presentation what we did it in earlier itself and after as well. So let's move to the complete of the haircut sections, and I'm just explain to the help of the comb and back portion, also it's round portions, and now just took with the back portions to be as one length haircut. So let's get started to one length haircut. So if you're really new to my channel, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because every time I brings with something new techniques up to the haircuts, I'm sure the next haircut will be something different patterns and something creative techniques we can just implement onto the next upcoming haircuts. So if you really wanted particular any haircuts, please comments below, and whoever looking forward something offline classes very seriously, we have a contact details in the description below. Please go there and collect the number, and please follow Instagram page and Facebook as well, the same name. So the online basic haircut after finish, I just pick rest of the center of the section and profile section, picking as and giving with complete of the round layers step by step, section by section. If you remember just one thin section, however you pick the layer will be carry forward really cool, and it will visible very neat and clean finishing. So that's a regards we are picking thin section and step by step consistently with cutting with small thin sections. So one side is got finished, I came to another side, same previous section whatever we done, the same thing I'm just carrying forward. After that I'm cross checking. So after the finish of the back section, I come into the side section. As you seen how much thin section we pick from the sections and giving with the layers. After that I'm cross checking. So finally I'll come to another side. This time I'm just giving with showing with the one more side face shape, and she particularly looking for length should not reduce. Apart from the length, she was expected pretty good layers which can visible complete transformations. So that's the regard I just take as one side, and the side section also cross checked, and finally I release the crown big horseshoe section, 2 sections, and center profile pick from exactly the crown portion. And now I'm just elevating with section by section as layers. Thin section. After that I'm cross checking, and finally I'll come to another side. That also I'm cross checking, and finally release the fringe portion, curtain bands. So complete after finish the haircut, I'm just showing with some before styling the presentation. So I'm showing with a messy layer of the presentation. So after that I'm styling on the remainder hair and giving proper styling with the blow dry. As giving for a spiral blow dry which can be neat and visible very perfection, and after that small blow dry rollers and fixing for long lasting styling for bit silky and wavy hair she carried, and she was expected styling was long last more. So that's the regard I'm just giving after a big roller using one more medium by a spiral blow dry roller. I'm just leaving as per styling. And another side also I'm doing the same way with all the sides. And after that at same way I just patterns follow the one more side, the blow dry. Once I done the blower, and just after a 5 minutes I'm releasing the previous sections. Why? Because sometimes hair will be delegated, it will be, if you leave long time it will be freeze the hair. So ensure after done the styling minimum 5 minutes has to keep for a styling hold. Then after move on to this next section. So one more side section I'm going to be finished before. After that I'm just come to with the crown portion. So side section, it will be most importantly it needed for which can be side by side visible, very good clean finishing. So I have to finish with the side all section first. Then after I come to with the crown portion, last 2 section. So the crown portion we are going to be start the blow dry. This is very important position which is can be makes more bouncier looks and visible more shine on the hair, so that can be retained. It looks more volume and pretty styling part. And after that I'm just leaving as one more styling roller, and after that finally come to the fringe portion, the front fringe portion. After that styling will be finished, and you will be see the presentation end of the finishing up the blow dry one. So that will be a final things. And I'm going to release all rollers, and after that you can just see with the complete of the blow dry finishing and looking was shine and volume and flexible and glossy finishing. So this is complete of the haircut transformation which we finished with a complete of the blow dry. And after that you can just see complete of finishing of the haircut. From the front also you can just see clean and neat finishing over all the haircut from top to bottom, so that volume and bounciness it will be remains and carry forward really nice and well at all. So I hope you all are enjoyed the video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because every time I bring something new content and according to which tutorial basis classes haircut videos. And after that I start with the texture finishing to my clients to be long lasting layers which can be visible, neat and clean finishing, and also more long lasting technical finishing at all. So after that you can just see with a finishing which looks clean and neater and merger styling at all. So last two section will be going to finish, and one more section. So the last two sections will be going to finish, and after that a fringe portion I'm going to finish the blow dry and texture finishing, and that will be a final one. So this is a complete of the final finishing up to the haircut. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll be meet up to the next upcoming different video. Until, take care and be safe.